Planning a tour to Spain. This video is for you. Welcome to Travel Talks first series on exploring Spain. In this episode, we dive into the crucial details of obtaining a tourist visa for Spain. Let's start by understanding what exactly a tourist visa is. A tourist visa is a temporary authorization issued by a foreign government that allows travelers to enter their country for leisure or recreational purposes. It typically allows travelers to stay in the country for up to 3 months, although some countries may allow longer stays. Tourist visas are usually valid for single or multiple entries, meaning that travelers can leave and re-enter the country during their stay. So, who can apply for a Spain tourist visa? Let's see. Almost anyone planning a vacation to Spain can apply for a tourist visa. This visa allows applicants to stay and travel within Spain and the Schengen territory. Now that we know who can apply, let's take a look at the requirements for a Spain tourist visa. There are a few essential documents and requirements needed to successfully apply for a tourist visa to Spain, and they include but not limited to the following. If you are going to be sponsored by a company, here are the requirements: valid international passport, recent passport photograph, flight reservation, proof of accommodation, travel health insurance, travel itinerary, evidence of tour, location booking, visa application form, cover, letter of sponsor, affidavit of support, no objection certificate, NOC, employment letter, work introduction letter, evidence of sufficient funds, salary slips for last 6 months. We might not cover everything in details here, however, but we have a course where we dive deep into every single detail. And sometimes, despite fulfilling all requirements, visas get denied. Let's find out why. There are a number of reasons why a Spain tourist's visa application might be denied. Common reasons include, but not limited to, the following: damaged passport, travel insurance, criminal records, travel history, fake documents, incomplete application, visa violations, lack of funds, no proof of accommodation, selecting the wrong visa type, a threat to the Schengen country, health insurance, inconsistent information, lack of proof for the visit, unacceptable birth or marriage certificate. To avoid such disappointments, we've put together helpful tips in our course. A few simple steps can significantly increase your chances of approval. Do well to avoid common pitfalls when applying for your Spain tourist visa. We hope this information was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on traveling to Spain. That's all for this episode on Spain tourist visa. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next episode.